Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel.
Look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you.
I've seen this outfit before, but it's okay because I am filming back to back videos so I can get a lot of consistent content out for you guys. So today I have a feminine video for you guys and I really hope that you enjoy it. We are going to be talking about 4 feminine tips that you can start doing today to get you in the mind frame of starting on your feminine journey. I'm not sharing these tips to offend anyone. I'm not saying that you have to do these things to be feminine. I'm not saying that if you do these things, then you're not feminine. I'm not saying any of that. This is just how I feel, some things that have helped me, some things that I have noticed, and just some things that I want to share with you guys to maybe help you if you are on a feminine journey as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the number one thing, and these are in no particular order at all, so please don't take this as the most important thing to do, but this just happens to be number one as they were popping into my head. So the number one tip to becoming more feminine or just becoming more comfortable with becoming more feminine is stop thinking that you cannot compliment other women due to their skin color, their sexual origin, or their race. Colorism is a very big topic in the femininity community. I knew that there was always a difference between darker skinned women and lighter skinned women and how they were treated. So that was nothing that I was ignorant to, but I didn't know how deep it went and the mental toll that it took on dark-skinned black women. If you see someone and she looks gorgeous today, her hair is on point, her makeup's on point, her outfit is banging, and she looks like she'll accept a compliment and not take it to her head or anything, give her a compliment. Be like, you look amazing today, sis. It's something that I have truly started to try to get a little more comfortable doing. I'm an introvert, and so I would prefer to just be in a bubble all the time, but I have to be in this world. And when I'm feeling good, when I'm high spirits, I try to tell other people, hey, you look amazing. I love your purse. I love your shoes. I love your hair. Like, a compliment can go a very, very long way. My second tip to being more feminine is no response is the best response. I have learned over the past years that not responding to something is the best way to get it to go away. Now, I'm not saying if you're in some trouble or if it's like a big situation and you need to clear your name or you need to present some receipts, that's not what I'm saying. Present your receipts, clear your name, do what you gotta do, and move on. There's like some work gossip or just general life gossip, and you're trying to grow in your life journey, you're trying to grow in your feminine energy, you're trying to get yourself aligned mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, financially. If you got all of these goals going on, you don't have time to sit there and acknowledge every little thing that is said about you, especially if it's not true. Especially if it's not true. And even if it is true, if something comes out about you that you really didn't want to come out, or it was unfortunate that somebody found out or anything like that, you still don't have to respond to it. You can still let it fly. Number 3 is slow down when you are speaking. Now, this is something that I have an issue with. I talk really fast because I feel like I'm always trying to get my point across. I'm stumbling over my words literally all the time. I say I get confused, I stop, I stutter. I'm just all over the place. I'm a hot mess. I have to learn, and I'm telling you as a feminine tip that I have learned when I stop and I slow down and I breathe and I take time to form my words and to actually say them completely using kind of mental punctuation as I'm speaking. I get my point across a lot easier. I feel way more confident when I'm speaking what I'm speaking about. I feel like I know what I'm talking about and I don't feel so jumbled in the head. This is something that I'm really going to have to work on doing every day, all day. At work, I'm a fast talker. I just always feel like I gotta go. I'm trying to learn how to slow down, and when I do slow down and I pronounce my words and I put my sentences in clear, concise thoughts and I communicate them, I feel a lot better and I get my point across. And I think ladies, especially feminine ladies, they talk slower. They take pauses. They take time to think about what they're going to say next. they don't rush to get it out just to hurry up and get your question answered so that you can go away. If they need a moment to think about something, they're going to take that moment, because once you say something, it is out and you cannot take it back. And if later on down the line you have to answer for that, then that's just what you have to do. So you might just want to just take a little more time to think about your responses and just be a little more confident. So I'm taking that advice and I'm sharing that advice with you guys in case that is something that you struggle with as well. Number 4, the last tip is have better posture. My motto is queens do not slouch. Now, am I a sloucher? Yes, I will hunch over so quick. My shoulders will go forward. I'll slap over like this. When I'm at work or if I'm just at home, I am a hot mess. And I had to think about it long and hard a few days ago. I was like, I don't want to have a hunchback when I'm older. That is just not the life that I want to have at all. I was like, I need to fix my posture and I need to do it right now. I will be 30 next year and that is just nothing to play with. I've had back issues for quite some time. I had back surgery in 2013. Actually, I had back surgery and it took me a while to heal from that surgery, and it was just more comfortable to slouch. But look, I cannot walk around here with a hunchback. I had an absolutely horrible chair when I first got my desk set up, and then I finally got this chair, which is a whole lot better on my back. So ladies, queens do not slouch. As comfortable as it is to let those shoulders hang. Now, if you're chilling and you're at home and you're watching a movie, please do not just sit up there like this watching a movie. But if you're working, please like sit up straight. Do not sit there and slouch for 8 hours. That is just not healthy. That was all the tips, you guys. Please let me know down below what you think about this video. Let me know if you have any tips that you would like to share, and I can definitely do a part 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you guys want. Let me know down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. There will be lots more to come. Please don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and ring the bell notification button so you're notified when I post. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so I would really love and appreciate if you hit subscribe and become a part of the Indie family. We would love to have you over here. Thank you so much for joining me for another video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.